section of Microsoft Excel. Today's agenda is cell referencing. So, what is cell referencing? There are two types of cell referencing that we learn today. One is absolute reference and one is relative reference. Okay, so let's start with relative reference. It's quite easier, and then we'll go to absolute reference. But relative reference, so these two references everyone should know. When you're working with Excel, you're working with the formulas, you're working with the very basic things as well. This is as basic as this everyone should know this, otherwise you will make mistakes and you will make huge mistakes which you will not be able to recover. And if you learn this, your manual process will also get reduced significantly. Okay, so let's get started. What is relative reference? Relative reference change when a formula is copied to another cell. Let's understand how. So this is our Excel sheet. So I want to multiply 10 into 300, or I want to add 10 plus 300. Okay, we'll do both the formulas. 10 plus 300. Okay, and 10 into 300. Okay, so now currently the formula is F2 plus G2. Okay, now I want the next line to be F3 plus G3. Similarly, F3 into G3. Okay, we want to drag it to the below so that we don't have to do it manually. So what we can do is we can copy it, we can go down and we can paste it. See, automatically everything is done. See the formula F26 plus G26. So this is relative reference. The reference is given here. Okay. Similarly, we can copy this, we can paste it, and the total is done. Is this clear? This is relative reference. When you have to add, multiply, subtract, divide, whatever, when you want to do it, you can do it in one column and you will drag it down to all the rows below, so that you don't have to do it and add it manually in each and every column or row. Okay, you can do it as per row wise also and column wise also. Both are fine, but this is very important and very basic to understand. So now we are making one thing can happen. Suppose, okay, let's take an example. If we want sales price to be constant 1000 and we want to multiply 10 into 1000, 5 into 1000, 10 into 1000, 5 into 1000 means we want to multiply this manufacturing price with 1000. So how will we do it? Is equals to F3 into 1000. I mean that is G2. So what will we do is G2 we'll put dollar sign in front of G and next to G both. So what will happen? By this dollar sign we have logged it that we want 1000 to be there in when we drag the formula, and we want F3 to change to F4, F5, F6. Let's see how it will work. Okay, so it worked. See, can you see? It worked. But if you have not used that dollar sign now, what will happen? See, when we have not used the dollar sign, so this will be wrong. Usually you will do this what I did to show you, but that is wrong. You have to make it, you have to give it absolute reference. That means you have to give the dollar sign. Otherwise it is totally wrong. And dollar sign because you want to make 1000 constant fixed. That is why I have used dollar before also and dollar after also. If I just want G to be constant. Okay, so what I will do is I will keep the dollar before G to be there, and after G I will remove that. Okay, so it depends on sheet to sheet and file to file. This will not work here. This is wrong, but you have to remove it if you want two not to be constant. Okay, so this is absolute reference and relative reference. I will show you one more example for absolute reference so that it's absolutely clear. Okay, 1000, 1200, 1100, 1111, 1111. Okay, so I want 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. I want 10 to be multiplied by 1000, 5 to be multiplied by 1200, 10 to be multiplied by 1100, 5 to be multiplied by 1111, and 5 to be multiplied by 1111. Okay, what I will do is I will put 10 into G2 and I will make 2 constant because I don't want G to 2 to move. 2 to move. I want G to move. G to H, H to I to J. Okay. Okay, let's check. Can you see? I think we have made an error. We have to make okay, now it's done. Okay, so this is about cell referencing, in which we learned absolute and relative reference. You can just drag down the formula. You have to use the dollar sign. You have to make it fixed. You don't want a particular thing to move. Okay, so absolute cell reference is a cell reference in a spreadsheet application that remains constant even if the shape or size of the spreadsheet is changed, or the reference is copied or moved to another cell or sheet. Absolute cell references are important when referring to constant values in a spreadsheet. If the value is not constant, this will not work. So this was about cell referencing. Absolute and relative referencing both are very important. You have to complete the assignment. Open MS